Hello there, it's Halo with the Armageddon Report. Dun dun dun! Tropical Depression 2E has formed in the Eastern Pacific. Doesn't really sound very, doom and gloom and Armageddon and all that when it's 2E. My goodness, what we have here is potentially the first hurricane of the season. So, TD2E is apparently going to become a tropical storm shortly, and then a hurricane strength, and then hitting Mexico. So let's find out what tropical depression 2E would be called. I can't find the word. Names. There we go. See, I should have looked this up sooner. Then you go down here, Eastern North Pacific. So, Bud. Wow, that sounds even less threatening than 2E. 2E at least sounds slightly technical and you're not sure what to expect. So, apparently, we're looking at future Hurricane Bud in the Eastern Pacific. Bud, hey, what's up, dude? You know, that sort of thing. And over here, where it's not even yet hurricane season in the Atlantic, we've got Tropical Storm Alberto. Just get that word out, tropical. Tropical Storm Alberto is still not forecast to become a hurricane. So, technically, I think that probably then fits the fact that, hurricane season hasn't started. So, yeah, and apparently going to hang out off the coast as well. Down in California and Arizona again with the excessive heat, the heat advisory, excessive heat watch. So, yeah, triple-digit heat, excessive heat on Monday and Tuesday. So, that's no fun if you're down there. So, instead, they should be all up here, in these areas where there are severe thunderstorms forecast today. So let's take a quick look at here are the warnings. What's going on warning-wise? Got some flash flood warnings for Kentucky out there. Some severe thunderstorm warnings out there and there. Mesoscale discussion. This is for Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, maybe a bit of Kansas. I'm not sure about that. Watch likely to 80% chance out there. Large hail and damaging winds possible this afternoon. Weather watch is likely, so that was this one up there, so they're apparently going to be seeing a watch soon. And we'll move on to the wind map, where this is specifically where 58 mile per hour greater winds may occur. So even up here, we've got a 5%. And then the 15, there's your two slight risk areas with 5% probabilities around them. Hail, apparently not as big of a threat in these northern-ish areas, but we've still got the 15% in both areas. And then apparently tornadoes are only really possible out there. So yeah, that's today. Tomorrow we've got another slight risk. North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. And with the addition of significant. So let's look at the map. So basically what we've got is as high as a 30% chance of some sort of severe weather event happening. And then in the black hatched area is where significant weather events could happen. So I'm going to make a guess that it's probably going to be very large hail, but it could also be damaging winds, so that'd be, I believe, 75 miles per hour and greater, as opposed to just 58 and greater, and significant tornadoes are EF2 and greater, as opposed to any sort of tornado. But probably, they didn't mention tornado in the outlook at all, so I'm going to guess that the likelihood that it's going to be, a significant tornado. Not very likely, hopefully. And then a 5% area out there tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, much smaller area, and as of now anyway, just 5%. So hopefully nothing going on, unless you like that sort of thing, then you'll be hoping that something goes on. Day 4 through 8, once again, predictability too low. So that means that there's disagreements either in the timing or the exact location. So the Storm Prediction Center, there is severe weather on the horizon-ish, but nothing in agreement enough for them to put something on the map. Right, so if you're out here in these areas today, you should totally pay attention to the weather. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. There's, of course, weather.gov, Storm Prediction Center, and if you like to look at tropical storms and future hurricanes, Hurricane Bud. Fear, Hurricane Bud. I get a laugh every time I think about Hurricane Bud. Anyway, then you should hang out at the National Hurricane Center and enjoy your day.